Kinong penyat jong St. Anthony Secondary School Kharpati ringkat bat kinong hikai menta kasngi kakat saw trik naiwing kala rakhe kasngi jong ki hapret ne Children's Day kabala ju rakhe hakaleng jong kari manla kakat saw trik jong benai naiwing ban kan mau buram ye kasngi kha jong President Beningkong jong kari upandit Jawaharlal Nehru ubadan ru kajinga day kabajan bat ki khenna Hakani kasngi kajing rakhe kasngi kerpang jongi kena na kaliang ke school kala yo ban play pat baru ya ke ying school ka bathamai bat ya ke toilet ne ke jaka de chapar kabala penmang da ke MLA scheme harangkat kajing snok tilang kiriu shimen Hakani kasngi lawan ban sakhi do MLA kanong po ba Mirul Bonsim kum ukong san bat ula play pat ba ya ke ying school ka bathamai ha kajing don nang uba Robertus Grihon Usim Karat Kharpati Ujayanta Mudoy Bank Manager ke HDFC Bank Nongpo ke Sister Anima CM Headmistress jong school kinong hikai lembat ki kemi ki kpa
King Kum kena sing bahasa jikan mau ni orang yang lupa bahasa mau dan ini penyebabkan
dur kabe itenan kejing pemang gede keberit kamdi kebehe nagaliang mijonga bangyo banirap untai jaman ke school ningi iu gedon ruka contribution nagaliang jong kiwi ki seng ki rurang ba ki rusimen na kiwi ki jakaru ki balano senyang na kabenta kani kejing tuku ke babah ngampoi perkhat habang ngampoi kani ke jakang melau meneh besdang bakalah kelah tu kani ka compound kini ki jakashong kini ki kamera kelas ki bala penkha ngampoi perkhat bahkan internet bahkan he adukan ni I didn't expect really sister to be honest I didn't expect that you meet so many rooms are there because the amount that has been earmarked is a small amount. It is not a big amount. So this will encourage me and I can't say no also from now on because there's the say you deserve then demand. Be the one who will deserve to help, then the help will automatically come. Now you have shown your sincerity, your dedication, your contribution from yourself, from the congregation, from the well-wisher, who sponsor, who help, apart from the amount that I have earmarked for you, and we have seen. So automatically today, you didn't give me any memorandum, but without memorandum, I will promise you, I will continue to help you. That is my promise to you. Mandagasni, habang iya kini kimati ya kibala Persyang nakaliang jong ke school sister managing committee kinong hikai kibaladan ke bentaban pendep ikini ngalong iba la sisya ka memorandum pimsyam labu tenri haba pimsyam bu memorandum roba mengi iya gini kam bahag ba pi le wat gijing penmang ka barit ke bangang air rendri kadni filashna filayara na ladero ngamnang matong film memorandum ru ngihap iban kular ndang sniba ngin bedeng ya gijing yarap ngin ke school gijing pi hagis ngi gibanwan kenamar kata kum kikimi kikpa kum kitkot apo managing committee management barok bangin ya don kat bat pi hagi por bladep laju yarap ketika extension mentas sekeni nang ta kipor ke banwan ro tangbongam jukren ni kipor ko de season ai tamla lan ai maka skim jungi ke MLA kam dei ke pada he than do kata-kata kapihak bansam hapo sispa apo kendai tendi di senong di don hapo konongpo konsunsi ni hap penyesam marmar kendiak lagi skim beper ki bengi ki MLA ni don jadi nak kata ngindon dekat bathi nomor bengi i yang kam bahago hi hilale hapo kejingelam jong i sister anima ngi i kejingkelah i sister shadap bagi sister kebadan kila trisitom sisa ban ngam aratil manong naki napi tradisional khantam no do bobu surin bobu David kini gerang ba adon hangner piem ngijing kela kadan em nadu kuan ni sister no I told them since you come this ana ladi ngai bahawan hangni ngi bagadon ngijing kela nadu simti kajing kit kli kajing kit kia Kikmi kikpa pila aban ong bat sister district pala. Ila aban ong ya kata. Upha kata gele kata ngable ya kata. Na ka banta kalwe jong gikhun giksil gi jong hi. Haban strict, haban pensitom. Haban long disiplin. Takadaw ka school kalong kumni bat ko pila ban penmi ro. Ya kiban apia ha ka SSLC, HSLC la child singi kiban pendon burom. Ya gane ka school ge jong hi. Jadi namar kata kung gikmi gikpa, ka managing committee ka soba, hindi man ay ka jeng itrilang. But i sister kiba pelut jala ka jong kapor. I sister li nang ni.
Dust yourself off and back in the saddle.
Gide barot gide ki Sakira.
Everyone's watching. You know it's serious. We're getting closer. This isn't over. The pressure's on. You feel it, but you got it all. Believe it. When you fold it up, oh, and if you fold it up, time it out, me that time, 'cause this is Africa.